Hi everyone, I'm Miss Cockines and welcome to this week's Occasion Fix. What? Another one? Yes, I know. You had one last week for Halloween, you had one before for another Halloween outfit. But, see, the problem is Halloween is 1 week before Bonfire Night. So this week's Occasion Fix is that hot Bonfire Night date. Okay, so let's look at this week's outfit.
This white and black knitted dress comes with a scoop neck. It has ribbed cuffs on each arm, and each cuff also comes with 5 little pearlised buttons. The lower half of the dress is made to look like a skirt, even though it is one full piece. It also has 2 fake white-topped pockets. As it's a hot firework date, I suggest teaming this dress with these black boots. You should team this dress with this snood. The snood comes in various colours, but here you can see I've chosen the red version to complement my red lipstick. This snood can be worn all around the neck, or you can pull it over like a winter hood. So not only is your outfit practical, but it's also sexy too.
Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. If you've got any ideas for future vlogs or you want to share with me your outfits and inspirations, please get in touch on Facebook and Twitter, and don't forget to go shopping on misscockines.com. Okay, so see you next week. Bye!